Good morning, my good people. How are you doing? We have talked about climate change for some time, and we talked about greenhouse gases, but how, in a specific way, how does this warming take place? Now, this is what happens, my good people. Carbon dioxide, one of the greenhouse gases, combines with the ozone layer and together with the other greenhouse gases, they form a blanket in the atmosphere. They form a blanket in the atmosphere. Now, this blanket traps the sun's heat or the sun's radiation. This blanket traps the sun's heat or radiation. And this phenomena causes what is called greenhouse effect. This phenomena is called greenhouse effect. And this greenhouse effect is what causes the global warming. And this global warming causes the climate change. May I repeat it again? This phenomena that it traps the sun's heat causes what is called greenhouse effect, which in effect causes global warming, and this global warming is what is causes the climate change. My good people, the world is now warming faster than it has been in the past. The world is now warming faster than at any other point in recorded history by more than 1.5 degrees centigrade. What we are saying, because of this global warming, the world now, the world temperatures and global temperatures are above the normal by 1.5 degrees centigrade. The United Nations is trying to prevent rising of temperatures actually by 2 degrees centigrade, minimum by 2050. We are saying the United Nations is trying by 2050 to make sure that rising of temperatures should not be above 2 degrees centigrade. And how will this be done? This will be done by reducing the amount of greenhouse gases emitted, which means that we need to have zero emissions by 2050. Now it's important for us to note then the areas which we are going to work on to have this zero emission by 2050. And these are the areas which cause emissions: manufacturing goods, cutting down forests, using transportation, powering buildings, consuming too much, generating power, generating electricity, burning fossil fuels. All these activities play a bigger part in emissions of greenhouse gases. And if the United Nations is going to curtail this so that we have zero emissions by 2050, it means we are going to work. The world, the global world is going to work on these areas. Thank you, good people, and be blessed.